cocktail is Brandy and Soda, and that's all it is Brandy and Soda. Very simple, very easy to make, very easy to drink, I might add. We're just going to go ahead and make it right here in our cocktail glass. So, ice in cocktail glass. And then we're going to add 2 ounces of brandy. Now, I'm going to eyeball my 2 ounces. I'm going to count out loud so you can hear what my count is for an ounce. Everybody's count is different. So, sitting at home, you might be like, that's not an ounce. Well, it's my version of an ounce, so pay attention. Bubble, 1, 2, 3. Bubble, 1, 2, 3. So, that's my version of what you will. Now we're going to fill the rest up with our club soda, like so. Take your mixing spoon and stir. That should be good. That's what your brandy and soda looks like. I'll give you a closer look. It's a nice, thick, clear color there. It's not too dark. Club soda does water it down good, and you're ready to go. Cheers.